Morning guys, June 17, 2024. So now I got a call for water heater, pilot won't stay lit. It's a Bradford white. So I do have some parts for that in the truck, generators, and sometimes you could just take the generator out and just carbon on it, you can clean it, and that'll work sometimes. Sometimes it's the gas valve. You could just change the board. If you got another gas valve, just change the board on it. That type of gas valve, it's one of them that sparks, you know, it's got the little green light on it. Look at this fucking clown. Well, anyway, we're gonna go over there and see if we can get this guy's water heater, the pilot, see if we can get the pilot to stay on. Sometimes there's a screen on the bottom that gets dirty. The thing will choke out, won't get enough oxygen. We'll have to see what vintage, what year it is and all that stuff. Hey, Miss Molly, how's it going today? So we'll see if we can get it to light. I can even see it. Oh, it lit. So it just won't stay on, right?
Yes. Correct.
How long have you been holding it down for?
I did it for a short while. I did it for, I don't know, I did it for like 15, 20 seconds, I guess.
Yeah, sometimes it's got to stay longer than that.
Okay.
Sometimes it gets carbon on there and it's an issue.
Gotcha.
There's a rollout switch here that didn't seem to be tripped, but I just want to see if I can get it to stay on. All right, so when it flashes green over here, we know it's good.
Okay.
See, it's kind of flashing queer.
Yeah.
It's not really, it's flashing fast, so that might be an issue. Let me see if I release it. It stays on. Yeah, it's staying on.
Oh, it is? Okay.
It's staying on. Let's see if we can turn it on.
That sounds promising.
That sounds good, right?
Yeah.
So what you got to do is you got to turn it to pilot.
Yep.
You got to push this in.
Yep.
You know, obviously look down there, and then you click it.
Yep. I did that.
All right, and then once the pilot's on, you got to hold this down for like a minute.
Oh, okay.
And it's got to heat that generator up with the pilot.
I gotcha.
And then when you see this start to flash green,
Yeah.
see that flash?
Yeah.
Then we know you could release it.
Okay.
I mean, these things, sometimes you do have to light them.
Yeah, yeah.
I mean, it is possible. I'm going to turn it to pilot.
Okay.
Let's see if it stays on.
I
See it flashing green?
Yep.
We know, then we could turn it on again.
Okay. Okay.
So I think it might have, the pilot just might have went out. I mean, it's a possibility.
Okay.
You want me to sell you something you don't need?
No.
You sure? Most guys want to do that. Sell you the flipping
So
the space shuttle here.
yeah, I mean we've been in this house for 13 years, and so it hasn't done that, but it's just like hopefully it's just a one-off thing.
Oh, it's possible. Hate to sell you something you don't need.
I know. I appreciate that.
You know. Sometimes, you know, you bring your car in, next thing you know you need $20,000 worth of repairs. It's like, I just took it in for an oil change. What are you talking about?
Mm-hmm.
I'll give it a couple of tries here. We'll turn it to pilot again.
Okay.
I mean, if the thing's, would you say 12? So it's already 15 years old.
Sure, yeah.
I mean, I wouldn't put a lot of money into it. If anything, I'd just replace it.
Gotcha.
Usually 12, 13 years, they're at their lifespan. They could let go at any time. So you're already at 15.
Yeah.
It's like a 98-year-old woman. You want to do a boob job on her. It's not too feasible, is it?
Yeah.
Let her live her life out in the nursing home and have fun with the old guys. Now, you don't need to do a boob job on her. Turn her into a Miss America, do you? No. That's what you're trying to do here.
Yeah. Right. So 12 years is about the lifespan of them.
12, 13. Usually if I tell if it's where somewhere it could, water damage, see, if it leaks here, it's not gonna do any damage.
Yeah.
So let it go until it starts leaking,
Sure.
right? If it was around a wooden floor or carpet or something, then you wanna change it, you know, beforehand.
Sure,
Before
yeah.
before you get a problem, because now if you get a flood, and now you got water damage on all that wood and the carpet, now it costs you more money.
Sure.
But here, not an issue.
Yeah.
Unknown color.
All right, so we're gonna let it ride.
All right.
Crazy.